guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making like some tiered shelves to store all my colorants and my glitter, just so you can see it better on the wall without having to line them all up. I got to run a few errands this morning, and then I'm going to be going and getting some plywood. Disclosure, I am not a carpenter. I know I made another video about building the workbench and all, but I wouldn't consider myself a carpenter at all. So I just do the best I can. But follow along and see what I come up with, and tell me what you guys would have done differently, or what you have that works even better. So stay tuned. Okay guys, that was just me cutting up some wood from the last video. I put some shelves underneath the workbench. I'll throw a picture in here. But now we're going to get to actually making the shelves for the colorants and the glitters. So I got a whole bunch of little sketches, and I got to cut all the wood out so that we can get started on this. So I'm just going to time lapse cutting the wood, and then I'll throw in some video of actually assembling it, and when we're done, and then what all the bottles look like on top of it. I got some 15-30 seconds plywood, which is what I use for the shelves, and then I braced it with some scrap 2x4s and stuff. So I might make the bases out of these shelves with that 15-30 seconds, and then the uprights and all, they're going to be a 1/4 inch plywood. So let's get to it. So I thought I was recording putting the side piece on, but I guess I didn't. But this is what it's gonna look like after I'm all done. Like I said, I'm no cabinet maker, and it ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but it's useful, and that's all I needed. All right guys, bear with me on all these little videos of me setting the shop up. Just thought some of you might like to see how I set it up if you're trying to make your own. We're gonna be getting into some lure making videos. Actually my next one's actually right here. It's set up. We're gonna be making some little finesse heads, propeller finesse heads. And there's the mega bass version. If it'll focus. It's pretty cool. I actually like using these. They work really good. There's a big eye fat head. That's from Bait and Tackle, B8N Tackle. But yeah, we're slowly getting there, and I can't wait to be done. Something stuck with me a long time ago where they said, if the space that you're trying to create things doesn't inspire you to create it because it's dirty, then you're never going to actually do anything. So that always stuck with me. So I would rather set this all up and then make some really good in-depth videos, rather than trying to piece together stuff inside a dirty place that just looks like a junk pile. So like I said, bear with me. They're coming. Thanks for watching, guys.